government's most important and cherished documents, including the Declaration of Independence, the Constitution, and Lincoln's Gettysburg Address. And as the Battle of Britain raged, the English government requested Fort Knox be the hiding place of the Magna Carta.
It's always been a storage place, so when you saw those boxes, you can only conjecture what was inside of there. Now, I was there when the Crown of St. Stephen was pulled out and was given back to the Hungarian government. There was the crown and his sword and his scepter, and these things are just priceless.